Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you already know that we are on unit number 1, Sun, and today is its 5th lesson. So my dear students, you have to answer a few questions so that we will recap what we did in the previous lesson. So as we discussed about the shadows and how they tell the time, so quickly tell me, how could we observe time from the shadows? With the position and size of the shadow, we can tell the time. Very good. What is the time when shadows are the longest? जी, कब होते हैं longest shadows? In the morning and afternoon. Very good. What is the time when shadows are the shortest? It is noon time. Very good. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the student learning outcome for today given on page number 5. So by the end of today, students will be able to name places towards north, south, east and west of the school or home. So my dear students, हम ये पहले भी SLO cover कर चुके हैं, but today again we will make a project on this SLO, so that's why we will again revise it. So my dear students, the Islamic perspective today is the Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, said, whatever is between east and west is the direction of prayer. So directions are so much important for locating a place, an object. किसी भी जगह को ढूंढने के लिए these 4 directions, east, west, north and south, are extremely important. Even जो आपका किबला है नमाज का, वो भी हम कंपास से या इन डायरेक्शन से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So some pre-reading questions. Quickly tell me, have you noticed in which direction of your house the sun rises? अब तक तो नोट कर लिया होगा सब बच्चों ने, क्योंकि मैं constantly आप लोगों से पूछती हूँ that from which direction the sun rises from your house, के किस तरफ से आपके सूरज निकलता है. You have to tell it is front, back, right or left. So if it is left side, then east. It is east on the left side of your home. So that is how you can tell the direction. So my dear students, for today's project, you have to open page number 12 in your books. I hope everybody has opened page number 12. So my dear students, here is your project. Draw a road map on a chart paper from home to school, mentioning the names of the roads and the directions. You can seek the help of your parents. So my dear students, बड़ा easy सा task है. What you need to do is आपको अपने घर से school तक का by road map draw करना है. And you also have to tell the name of the roads, directions, left, right, north, east, किस तरफ आपको move करना है from your home so that you will get to the school. For this, you can also take help from your parents. But my dear students, I also have made a map from my office to my home. Here you can see, this is my office, this is my home, and this is the compass. And for this, मेरे घर की तरफ जाने के लिए head towards north. ठीक है? From office to home, I have to head towards north. So my dear students, when I move from home, you can see the directions. I turn left. Then this street is called Kashif Street. Then I turn left from Kashif Street and I move towards right on the service road. Then I turn left and again turn right and then turn left towards Sultan Street. And again from Sultan Street, I turn left and then my home comes. So this is the map, road map है ये, from my office towards the home. आपको भी स्कूल से घर का या घर से स्कूल तक का मैप ड्रॉ करना है with the help of your parents. So this will be your home activity. ठीक है? मैंने आपको demonstration के लिए जो है, I have shown you a map. So my dear students, from here we will move towards the practice. So for the practice, you will do analysis and interpretation exercise number C. Encircle the correct option against each statement. Statements are given and the options are given below. You have to circle the correct option. The number of directions are 3, 4, 5. Very good. 4. If you stand facing north, which direction will be on your right side? West, east, south. Yes, very good. अगर आप नॉर्थ को फेस कर रहे हैं, सो विच डायरेक्शन विल बी ऑन योर राइट साइड? आपके राइट साइड पर कौन सी डायरेक्शन होगी? दैट विल बी ईस्ट. वेरी गुड. इफ द सन रेज आर फॉलिंग ऑन an object from the east, the shadow will form on west. Very good. The light travels in a curved line, straight line, both. Straight line. Now we will move forward towards page number 12. The rest of the statements, the shadows are shorter in the noon time. The sun gives us heat and plants, light and cool air, light and heat. C option is the correct one. Number 7, the direction opposite to north is south. Very good. So you have to complete this on your books. Next, we will move forward towards exercise number D, fill in the blanks. We get light and heat and light from sun. When the sun is high in the sky, the shadows are shorter. Very good. The size of the shadow directly depends upon the dash of the sun. Yes, position of the sun. Very good. The light cannot pass from dash objects, solid objects. The sun is setting, or you can write opaque objects. The sun is setting in the, you can also write this light cannot pass from the dark objects, dark solid objects. The sun is setting in the west. So my dear students, you have to complete these blanks also, and we will move forward towards the evaluation. So quickly tell me, how do directions help us in understanding the position of the object? Because just by knowing whether it's in north, south, east or west, you can easily locate a place or an object. How do you know about the location of a place? Just by knowing its direction, you can easily locate a place. So my dear students, your homework for today is your project given on page number 12. So you have to make a road map with the help of your parents. घर से school तक का रास्ता. And you also have to do this worksheet number 8. You have to write down your name and your class. And then this is a map. Use the compass rose and the map of the town to fill in the blanks below. These are the fill in the blanks. The school is dash of the house. The toy store is dash of the house. The cave is dash of the toy store. आपको in directions की help से, with the help of north, east and west, south, आपको ये fill in the blanks fill करनी है. These are very easy, and also the map is very easy. So my dear students, your wrap up for today is sun gives us heat, light and energy. There are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Directions help us in understanding the position of an object. So my dear students, this is all for today's project. Quickly complete your project with the help of your parents. Make a road map, put on the directions, put on the names of the streets, and give it to your teacher in the class so that she can display it. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day, and Allah Hafiz.